So, the benefits of upcycling. Well, first of all, I mean, there's a lot of benefits to it. I mean, number one, you are taking something that is used, something that you may already own, or maybe something someone in your family or friends is giving away, and you can see using it or putting some use to it, recreating it, redesigning it to make something new. So that's a benefit because you're not being wasteful. Another thing is like money wise, you get to save money. You're not going out and buying new things all the time. You're just taking what you have and making it new. So I would say that's a no-brainer to me. I just feel like I'm at a point in my life where it just makes sense for me. I've always loved thrift stores. I've always loved to create things that are old and make them new again. So upcycling is just like so dope to me because I can't imagine not upcycling. And yes, it saved me money in the long run, and it's something that has spilled over into my classroom. My students, one of my students, I think she's upcycling her prom dress. Oh my God, it looks so good, and I was low key jealous. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Because first of all, I couldn't sew like that in high school. I mean, I put some stuff together. I thought it was cute. I thought I was fly. But when I look at my students' work and like the knowledge, like, you know, I went to FIT, so I teach them like what I learned at FIT, but they're learning it in high school. So they definitely are introduced to things. I'm also that teacher that's like, okay, you want to reference something on YouTube real quick, you can reference something on YouTube real quick. I have no problem with that. I'm like, if you want to look on Instagram and see what's trending and different things to recreate a look out of things you already have, do what you got to do. Like, I'm big on them having freedom of expression. But yeah, so that for me, that's the benefits of upcycling. Like I said, there's more reasons than that, but for me, it's saving money and recreating new things from what you have. So that's my little spiel on upcycling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.